Welcome to skintags.com. Skin tags can be removed with one easy 15-minute treatment at home. The Skin Tags Removal Home Remedies kit contains all you require to remove 30 to 40 skin tags and skin healing cream containing pearl oil. Here we have a young lady with a skin tag on her neck. She is very aware of it and wants it removed. She's using the DIY skin tag removal at home, after cleaning the area with a sterile pad. Here we can see the emery board being used to roughen the surface of the skin, to allow the active ingredients to penetrate into the body of the skin tag to naturally remove skin tags. The DIY skin tag removal applicator is used to coat the skin tag with the solution. A mild stinging sensation is normal at this stage. Any excess cream should be wiped away. The cream is left in place for 15 minutes. In some cases, a second application may be needed where the skin tag is old and thick. Fresh water is used to remove the dried cream and clean the treated area. We can see as the area is cleaned that the whole skin tag has turned black. A sure sign that the skin tag removal cream treatment has been successful. The skin around the treated area is quite red. This should be expected. There may even be slight swelling around the base of the skin tag, but this is temporary. The healing cream containing pearl oil is then applied to the treated area and surrounding skin. After a short time, the redness around the area has greatly reduced, leaving only local redness. After 24 hours, we can see there is a little redness around the treated area and the skin tag has become darker and smaller. 2, 3 and 4 days pass. The skin tag becomes gradually smaller and hardens. Finally, after 5 days, the skin tag has fallen off, leaving only a small pink patch of skin. After 8 weeks, there is no scar whatsoever, not even a tiny mark. The skin is perfect. Purchase your DIY skin tag removal cream today from skintags.com.